This holiday season, you might want to consider putting your masks back on. At least that's what doctors are saying after hospital numbers show that they are dealing with a triple-demic, rising numbers of COVID-19, the flu, and RSV cases.
Yeah, all becoming a major problem here. News 12's Mary Lynn Buckley joining us from outside NYU Langone Hospital with more.
We've spoken with doctors working inside of hospitals, and they tell us that these three illnesses, they are on the rise across the country and right here in the city, which is why they're advising, although the holidays are around the corner, you may want to consider putting your mask back on, especially when you're indoors.
We do advise to wear masks, especially in public settings where there are mass gatherings, just because the trajectories do show that everything is back on the rise.
Dr. Elias Yusuf works at Kings County Hospital, and he, like many other medical professionals, are saying there's been a significant uptick in the number of patients coming in with COVID, RSV, and the flu all at once. In fact, the governor's office says that flu cases across the state jumped from 76% from 1 week to the next, and COVID-19 cases are still increasing, although hospitalizations and deaths are down. Dr. Yusuf tells us each week has brought different challenges inside hospitals.
We are seeing a trifecta, but what's interesting is that the trajectories are happening at different times. And this may vary locally at different institutions. At our particular institution at Kings County, RSV was really on the rise about a week ago. And now we're seeing RSV come to somewhat of a plateau, and flu is kind of taking off at this point.
And when we asked doctors about what we should do when we want to prevent ourselves from getting sick, they said this is when you go back to the basics. Hand washing, wearing masks, isolating, and staying home if you don't feel good. They also do recommend you stay on top of those vaccines, the COVID-19 boosters, and of course, the flu vaccine. That's the latest right here from Cobble Hill. I'm Mary Lynn Buckley, News 12.